Students, in this class we are going to study factor theorem. Introduction to factor theorem. Consider two numbers 10 and 2. Divide 10 by 2. We get 2 5s are 10. When we subtract 10 from 10, the answer is 0. Or we can say remainder is 0. In this problem, as you know, 10 is dividend, 2 is divisor, and 5 is called quotient, and 0 is remainder. We know that dividend A is equal to divisor B and quotient Q plus remainder. We can write generally A is equal to BQ plus R. If the remainder is 0, it means that 2 is a factor of 10 or 10 is a multiple of 2. Consider another one problem. Find the remainder obtained by dividing P of x is equal to x cube minus 1 by x minus 1. What is dividend? Dividend is x cube minus 1. And what is divisor? X minus 1. There are two methods to find the remainder of the problem. First one, by long division method. Second one, by the remainder theorem. Long division method is, we know, lengthy and time consuming. So we have selected remainder theorem. How to find the remainder if P of x is divided by x minus 1? What is the first step? The first step is we should find the 0 of the polynomial, which is the divisor, and it is in the form x minus a. So what is the first step? We should write the 0 of the polynomial or divisor or x minus a, that is x minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies by solving x is equal to 1. Therefore 0 of the polynomial x minus 1 or 0 of the divisor is x is equal to 1. What is the second step? We need to substitute the value of x in the polynomial. What is the polynomial here? P of x is equal to x cube minus 1. Now, what is x? X is 1. Is equal to, substitute in the expression, x is equal to 1 power 3 1 cube minus 1. By solving, 1 cube is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 is 0. So we can say the remainder of this polynomial divided by x minus 1, we got the answer is 0, or as the remainder. In generally, we can write A is equal to BQ plus R. A is dividend, B is divisor, and Q is quotient, plus remainder is R. According to polynomial, this expression can also write A, that is dividend, is p of x, because polynomial is equal to divisor. What is the divisor here? X minus 1, but x minus 1 is a polynomial in the form x minus a. X minus a is the divisor, p of x is the polynomial, and quotient q of x, quotient is q of x, plus remainder is r of x, or we can write r of x or p of a. Why p of a? By the remainder theorem, the remainder is 0. Therefore, p of 1 is equal to 0. What is 1? Any real number. In the remainder theorem, any real number. We substituted 1 in this polynomial. Therefore, p of a is equal to 0. Therefore, the remainder is p of a. In the next step, polynomial p of x is equal to x minus a into quotient is q of x. What is p of a? P of a is equal to 0. Remainder is 0. By this expression, we conclude that if the remainder is 0, the divisor is a factor of the polynomial or factor of the dividend. In the first problem also, remainder is 0. So 2 is a factor of 10. Similarly, here also, remainder is 0. Therefore, divisor is a factor of the polynomial. If divisor is the factor of the polynomial, quotient is also the factor of the polynomial. Now, shall we define what is factor theorem? Yes. Factor theorem says that if p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. This is the first statement in the factor theorem. If p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. We already have the expression p of x is equal to x minus a into q of x plus 0. P of a is equal to 0. Yes, we have p of a equal to 0. Then x minus a is a factor of p of x. Yes, x minus a is a factor of p of x. Second, when x minus a is a factor of p of x, then p of a equal to 0. If x minus a is a factor of p of x, then p of a equal to 0. Once again, if p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. When x minus a is a factor of p of x, then p of a equal to 0. This is called a factor theorem. Consider the problem, example problem. Examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6 and of 2x plus 4. In this problem, we know x plus 2 is a divisor and x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6, this polynomial is a dividend, and 2x plus 4 is also dividend. For the first step, we should divide this p of x by polynomial x plus 2. In the next step, we should divide 2x plus 4 by x plus 2 by using remainder theorem, and which is the easy method to find the remainder of the polynomial. What is the first step? We should write the 0 of the polynomial x plus 2. X plus 2 is equal to 0, which implies by solving x is equal to minus 2. So we say that minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial x plus 2. Next, consider the first dividend, that is p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Next, we need to substitute x is equal to minus 2 in this polynomial. Therefore, p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 whole cube 3 into x is equal to minus 2 square plus 5 into x is equal to minus 2 plus 6. By solving minus 2 power 3, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, minus 8 plus minus 2 power 2, minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3, that is 12. Minus into plus minus 5 into 2, 10, minus 10 plus 6 plus 12 plus 6 plus 18 minus 10 minus 10 minus 18. Therefore, minus 18 plus 18, answer is 0, which means that 0 is the remainder of the polynomial p of x by dividing divisor x plus 2. So we say that x plus 2 is a factor of the polynomial. Why? This theorem says that if the remainder is 0 or p of a is equal to 0, the divisor is a factor of the polynomial. So first problem is completed. Second, 2x plus 4. We need to find the remainder of this polynomial and to give the conclusion p of what is x? X is equal to minus 2. Substitute in this polynomial minus 2 plus 4 plus into minus minus plus 4. Answer is 0. In the second problem or in second step, the remainder is 0. So what is the conclusion? X plus 2 is also the factor of 2x plus 4, because the remainder is 0 or p of a equal to 0. If p of a is equal to 0, x plus 2 is a factor of the polynomial. Next problem, find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 4. Find the value of k. Here k, find value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial. As you know, x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial, p of a is equal to 0, because we know when x minus a is a factor of the polynomial, p of a equal to 0. Apply the same as x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial, p of a equal to 0 or p of 1 is equal to 0. Let the polynomial p of x is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 4. By substituting 1, we get 1 is the real number because x minus 1. 0 of the polynomial x minus 1 is 1. Therefore, we substituted 1 in this polynomial. 4 into 1 power 3, 3 into 1 power 2 minus 4 into 1 plus k. By solving 1 power 3, 1 into 4, 4 plus 1 power 2, 1 into 3, 3 minus into plus minus 4 plus k. What is p of 1? P of 1 is equal to 0 because by the factor theorem p of 1 is equal to 0. 4 plus 4 minus 4, 0 plus 3 plus k. When we bring plus 3 to the left side, positive becomes negative. Here k plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled, plus 3 becomes minus 3 and k. Therefore, the value of the k is minus 3. Thank you.